To change the verification, you need to sign into your wallet. For this, enter your email and a password. Then verify your account entering the authentication code sent to you by the email. Then you will receive the message on your email about successful verification. After that, go to Settings tab. Email verification is set by default. To change it, click on Type of Verification and select the type you need. To activate phone verification, choose Verification using Phone option and enter your phone number. Next time you sign into your wallet, you will get a verification code in SMS on your phone. The available verification types are email, phone and Google verification. Choose any you like to provide stronger security for your wallet's funds and data.